Since its establishment, Shenzhen Topwell Technology Co., Limited has been a pioneer in the field of high difficulty and complex mold manufacturing. As an integrated industry and trade enterprise, we provide a full chain of services encompassing design, production, processing, sales, and service, all focused on delivering precision molds and products to our valued customers. Our business spans a wide range of molds, including plastic injection molds, silicone rubber molds, die casting molds, stamping molds, and blow molding molds. In addition, we offer comprehensive services such as CNC machining, PCB electronic design, PCBA plugin assembly, product design, assembly, and software and APP development. These services cater to industries like consumer electronics, household appliances, medical products, daily necessities, and automobiles, with products distributed globally. Topwell Technology boasts a team of experts in mold, electronics, industrial, and mechanical product design. From manuscript sketches to AI designs, graphic designs, 2D designs, 3D structural designs, and creative designs, we can tailor your products to achieve the perfect balance of aesthetics and functionality. Our factory is equipped with multiple industrial, mechanical, and electronic design engineers who, with their rich experience and cutting-edge technology, help customers transform their creativity and ideas into practical products. We have obtained multiple international certifications, such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 13485, IATF 16949, and CE, to ensure the quality and reliability of our products. With the support of over 1,000 professional workers, Topwell Technology provides one-stop products development services. We collaborate with a variety of customers, from startups to mature enterprises, offering full process services from product concepts to finished products. We use precision testing instruments such as laser 2D and 3D measuring instruments, high-definition cameras, and microscopes to rigorously inspect every production process. This ensures that product quality meets customer requirements and industry standards. Topwell always adheres to the business philosophy of service first, reputation first, user first, and making friends. We are eager to work hand in hand with domestic and foreign customers to create a better future together. Join us and let's embark on this exciting journey.